Undoubtedly, the United States stands as the leading economy worldwide. For any multinational corporation, it's unthinkable not to carve its niche in the American market. Consider trademark registration as an invisible shield, safeguarding your brand and bestowing upon you unique rights to commercialize that mark. In this narration, we'll simplify the trademark registration process, breaking it down into easy-to-understand steps. Firstly, it all starts with a trademark search. This is a crucial step to identify any existing trademarks that may conflict with your proposed one. The United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO, offers an online database, the Trademark Electronic Search System, for this purpose. After confirming the availability of your mark, the next step is to file a trademark application with the USPTO. This application should include your name, address, a clear representation of your mark, a description of the goods or services associated with the mark, a filing basis, a specimen of use if the mark is on use in commerce basis, and of course the filing fee. It is our observation that the USPTO requires more specific descriptions than other trademark offices. Once your application is in the hands of the USPTO, a substantive examination begins. This process typically kicks off around 4 months after your application is filed. The USPTO will search your mark and examine your application to ensure it meets all legal requirements. This includes assessing your mark's distinctiveness and potential conflicts with existing trademarks. If your application passes muster, it will be published in the Official Gazette. This publication allows third parties to oppose your registration within a 30-day window. Oppositions may arise if a third party believes their existing rights are infringed upon by your pending application. Now, if your mark is based on use in commerce, a foreign registration, or an extension of protection of an international registration to the United States, and no opposition is filed, or if it's successfully resolved, the USPTO will issue a certificate of registration. This grants you the exclusive rights to use the mark in connection with the specified goods or services. However, if your mark is based on your bona fide intention to use the mark in commerce and no opposition has been filed, the USPTO will issue a notice of allowance after the publication period. To receive the registration, you must first submit a statement of use. The USPTO will issue a certificate of registration once the statement of use is accepted. Finally, remember that trademarks need to be maintained. Between the 5th and 6th year following the date of registration, you must file a declaration of continued use or excusable non-use. Furthermore, between the 9th and 10th year after registration, the registrant must file a declaration of continued use and application for renewal to prevent the registration from expiring. By following this procedure, the trademark can be renewed indefinitely. Remember, there's a 6-month grace period for filing the aforementioned documents, but this comes with the payment of an additional fee. So there you have it. From search to registration, these are the key steps and points to remember in the trademark registration process. It might seem troublesome, but with careful attention, you can navigate these steps and secure your brand's protection in the vast and promising American market.